Do you have trouble maintaining some of your data analytics dashboards or planning models? After all, making sure your data reloads transition smoothly is a time-consuming activity that often requires a lot of multitasking. At the end of the day, any automation, rule, or system can malfunction and break eventually. So why not save yourself the hassle and leave this to a support team? Well, we at BI can offer you the exact service you're looking for. Our team of professionals operates 24/7, and just like magical elves, they'll fix any occurring issues before you even notice they've appeared. You can sleep well knowing that your ETL processes are constantly under watch, thus ensuring on-point data accuracy. Additionally, our support services are flexible enough to be integrated within your current systems, so that you don't need to burden yourself with new accounts or subscriptions. So keep your time and efforts focused on key data insights and press onward without worrying about the back end, all with the help of BI.